Welcome to Masters Academy. Mathematics SSLC NCERT Chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. 2 mark questions with solutions. Prepared by N. Parmesh. First question. Show that tan A into sin A plus cos A is equal to secant A. Answer. LHS. Tan A into sin A plus cos A is equal to tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A into sin A as it is plus cos A as it is equal to sin A into sin A sin square A by cos A plus cos A as it is. Taking cos A as an LCM, sin square A plus cos A into cos A cos square A, that is equal to sin square A plus cos square A is 1 divided by cos A, which implies 1 by cos A is secant A, that is RHS. Second question. If sin theta is equal to 12 by 13, find the values of cos theta and tan theta. Answer. Right angle triangle ACB. By using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Substituting the value. Sin theta is nothing but opposite means AC. AC is 12 by hypotenuse AB, that is 13. In place of AB, substitute 13. In place of AB, substitute 13. In place of AC, substitute 12. That is 13 square is equal to 12 square plus BC square. 13 square is 169 is equal to 12 square is 144 plus BC square. BC square is equal to 169 minus 144. BC square is equal to 25, which implies BC is equal to root 25. Therefore, BC is equal to 5. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC, by hypotenuse is AB, that is equal to 5 divided by 13. Next, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to AC by BC, that is equal to 12 divided by 5. Third question. If root 3 tan theta is equal to 1 and theta is acute, find the value of sin 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. Answer. Root 3 tan theta is equal to 1, that is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 divided by root 3. Tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Therefore, theta is equal to 30 degree. Substitute in the given problem. Sin 3 theta is equal to sin 3 into theta is 30 degree, that is equal to sin 33 is a 90 degree, that is equal to 1. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta is 30 degree, that is equal to cos 32 is a 60 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, substitute this value in the given problem. Sin 3 theta plus cos 2 theta, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 1 and half. 1 and half is nothing but 3 by 2. Fourth question. If cosecant theta is equal to 13 by 12, then find the value of cos theta. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, that is 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta is given as 13 by 12. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta is equal to 13 by 12, which implies sin theta is equal to 12 divided by 13. Sin theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. By using right angle triangle theta, opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Angle B is 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 13 square, that is equal to AB is 12 square plus BC square. 13 square 169 is equal to 12 square 144 plus BC square. 169 minus 144 is 25 is equal to BC square, which implies BC is equal to 5. Next, sin theta is equal to opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC, that is equal to 12 by 13. Cos theta cos theta is equal to adjacent side BC by hypotenuse AC, that is equal to 5 divided by 13. Fifth, prove that 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta the whole square. Answer, LHS, 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Multiply and divide by 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to a plus b into a plus b whole square, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is equal to 1 plus cos theta whole square. 1 square minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta, that is equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta the whole square, that is equal to separate 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole square as it is, that is equal to 1 by sin theta is the reciprocal function of cosecant theta plus cos theta by sin theta is the ratio function of cot theta whole square as it is, that is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square, that is RHS. Sixth question, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, comma BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine subdivision. First question sin A, second question cos A. Answer, right angle triangle. Angle A is given, BC opposite, AB adjacent, AC hypotenuse. The value of AB is given 24, BC is given 7. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substituting the value, 24 square plus 7 square, that is equal to 24 into 24, 576 plus 7 square is 49, that is equal to 625. Therefore, AC, hypotenuse AC is equal to 25. Subdivision. First question sin A, opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to BC by AC, that is equal to 7 divided by 25. Subdivision. Second question cos A, that is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse AC, that is equal to 24 by 25. Seventh question, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Answer, right angle triangle. Angle A means BC opposite side, AB adjacent side, AC hypotenuse. Sin A is equal to, sin A is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse, that is nothing but BC in the figure, BC by AC, that is given 3 by 4. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substituting the value, 4 square is equal to AB square plus 3 square. 4 square is 16. 3 square is 9, shifted to left side minus 9 is equal to AB square. AB square is equal to 7, which implies AB is root 7. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is AC, root 7 by 4. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB, that is 3 by root 7. Eighth question, given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. Answer, right angle triangle ABC, angle A is acute, BC opposite side, AB adjacent side, AC hypotenuse. 15 cot A is equal to 8, which implies cot A is equal to 8 divided by 15. Cot A is nothing but adjacent side by opposite side, that is nothing but AB by BC, that is given as 8 by 15. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Substituting the value, 8 square plus 15 square, that is equal to 8 square is 64 plus 15 square is 225, that is equal to 289. AC square is 289, AC is root 289, that is nothing but AC is equal to 17. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side is BC by AC, that is equal to 15 by 17. Secant A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, that is equal to AC by AB, that is equal to 17 by 8. Ninth question, evaluate sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Answer, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Substitute in the given problem, sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 root 9 is nothing but 3, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1 divided by 2 2s are 4. Taking 4 as an LCM, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 4 is 1. 10th question, evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Answer, sin 60 degree is nothing but root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Substitute in the given problem, 2 as it is, tan 45 degree is 1 square plus cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 the whole square, that is equal to 1 square is 1, 1 2s are 2 plus root 3 whole square is 3, 2 square is 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 get cancelled, 2 is the answer. 11th question, if tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree where 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. Answer, given condition tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. Tan 2a is equal to cot of 90 minus 2a. Substitute in the given problem. In the given problem, substitute. In place of tan 2a, substitute cot of 90 degree minus 2a. That is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. Cot get reduced. 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Shifted a on one side and number on other side. Plus a minus 2a shifted to other side plus 2a is equal to 90 degree minus 18 degree shifted to other side plus 18 degree. A plus 2a is equal to 90 degree plus 18 degree. 3a is equal to 108 degree. Therefore, a is equal to 108 divided by 3 is 36 degree. 12th question, if tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. Answer, tan a is equal to cot of 90 minus a. Substitute in the given problem, tan a is equal to cot b. In place of tan a, substitute cot of 90 minus a is equal to cot b. Cot get reduced. 90 degree minus a is equal to b. Therefore, minus a shifted to other side plus a plus b is equal to 90 degree. 13th question, if a comma b and c are interior angle of a triangle ABC, then show that sin of b plus c divided by 2 is equal to cos of a by 2. Answer, we know that for a triangle, interior angle is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A. Dividing both side by 2. Angle B plus angle C divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree divided by 2 is 90 degree minus A by 2. Applying sine angle on both side. Sine of b plus c divided by 2 is equal to sine of 90 degree minus a by 2. Sine of b plus c divided by 2 as it is equal to cofunction 90 degree. 1 into 90 is cofunction. For sine, cofunction is cos a by 2. 90 minus lies in first quadrant. All the functions are positive. Therefore, sine of b plus c divided by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. Evaluate, 14th question, evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Answer, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Substitute in the given problem 1 as it is plus tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta of 1 plus cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. In the first bracket, taking cos theta as LCM, 1 into cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. In the second bracket, taking sin theta as LCM, 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. That is equal to, this is cos theta plus sin theta is nothing but A. 1 is nothing but B. A plus B into A minus B, it is nothing but A square minus B square. Therefore, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square divided by sin theta into cos theta. That is equal to, by using A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 square is nothing but 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. That is equal to, sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta, plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. 2 sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta get cancelled. 2 is the answer. 15th question, prove that cosecant theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Answer, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. LHS, cosecant theta minus cot theta the whole square, that is equal to, cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta minus cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta whole square, that is equal to, taking sin theta as an LCM, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta that whole square, that is nothing but 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. By using standard identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which implies, what is the value of sin square theta? Sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Substitute in the above step. 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is. In place of sin square theta, substitute 1 minus cos square theta. That is equal to, numerator as it is 1 minus cos square theta divided by A square minus B square is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. That is nothing but 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, one term get cancelled. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Therefore, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.